after you've created them in Canva. Now I know a lot of you aren't creating your logos in Canva, maybe you've already had one done, but let's say you do create a logo in Canva, you're going to want to save it with a transparent background. Now this is only for pro users, so that's just a little tidbit for that. But when you download your logo like this, you download it and you do not click the transparent background. Let's say I'm just going to do this. I'm going to download this current page. It will have this square background behind it. Now, so many times I have seen small businesses with this square background, and I'm like, ugh, and they put it on a graphic. Nobody wants to see the white square of death, okay? So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna show you a super simple tip. When you save this, you're gonna press download, you're gonna press transparent background, you're going to move your sliding scale to 1250 by 1250 pixelation. And I say that because if you don't do that, your logo is going to be so pixelated, you will not be able to use it on anything. Now you're going to download that. Waiting for it to download. You're going to save it. And then, I didn't save the single individual one. That's okay. We're just going to like this. I'm going to open this up. I'm going to open up this. And it's now a transparent background. I have a larger image that's not pixelated. So then you can now add this and resize this to whatever type of document you're creating, or you can then now upload this image back into your brand hub and it saves it perfectly as your logo.